If your Payoneer account has been hacked and the hacker changed your registered phone number, don't panic. In this video, I will show you the step you should take to recover your account and protect your money. The first thing you need to do is contact Payoneer support immediately. Explain that your account has been compromised and that your phone number was changed without your permission. Ask the support team to secure your account and help you recover access as soon as possible. You may be asked to verify your identity by providing your government ID issue, registered email address, or other account information. This helps Payoneer confirm that you are real owner. Make sure you provide accurate details to speed the recovery process. If your Payoneer account is connected to service like Adobe Stock, Fiverr, Upwork, or other platform, consider contacting those platforms as well to prevent payment from being to send compromised account while you recover in this progress. In this tutorial, I will explain the complete recovery process, how to contact Payoneer support. Open any browser, then search Payoneer Support Center, then click My account is hacked. Then click Contact Us. After opening the page, select Language. Type first name and last name. Type email address. Then describe your problem. Then type your Payoneer username. Type Payoneer registered email address. Type Payoneer customer ID. Type your contact number. After that, click Submit. Wait few hours. Payoneer support team contact your email. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.